Hello friends, welcome to Codeboard. So in the last video we saw what is Java. In this video we will learn some important features of Java. So let's get started with the video. So the first feature of Java is that it is very simple. It has its syntax derived from C and C++ and it is very easy to learn. So developers can easily adapt to Java language. The next thing is that Java has removed some very complicated and rarely used features such as pointers and operator overloading. So developers need not worry about this. The third thing is Java has automatic garbage collection. Now what is automatic garbage collection? So when you create objects in Java, you also need to destroy them after their use. And you don't need to do manually this in Java. Garbage collection does it for you. So that is why Java is known as simple programming language. The next feature of Java is that it is object oriented. Now we have seen what is object oriented programming in the last video. And because of object oriented programming language, we can achieve reusability in Java. Then maintaining and understanding the code is very easy and there is less dependency between the functionalities. So adding new code and data is very simple and also modifying is easier. The next feature of Java is that it is platform independent, meaning you just write it once and run anywhere. Let's see how. So you write your code in .java file and the compiler converts it to the bytecode. Now this bytecode can actually run on any system. So that is that the bytecode can run on Windows, Mac or Linux. So that is why Java is platform independent and you write once and run anywhere. The next feature is that it is architecture independent. So be it 32-bit machine or 64-bit machine, Java has same memory allocation. So for some programming language, integer takes 2 bytes on the 32 bits while 4 on the 64 bit. But Java has same memory allocation for both the architectures. So this is also an important feature of Java. The next thing is that Java is secured. Now most of the programming language and their application run directly on the operating systems. But in Java, there is Java Virtual Machine. So here we have our Java application which runs on Java Virtual Machine, that is JVM, which runs on the operating system. So this Java Virtual Machine in itself provides the security to the Java application. Let's see how. So this Java application has a class loader. This class loader loads the Java classes and separates local and the network files, so more security can be provided. Then there is bytecode verifier, which reduces or removes the illegal code. So because of which the illegal code is removed, more security can be achieved. And the third thing is that it has a security manager which checks for security permissions such as reading and writing. So because of these three important components of JVM, more security can be achieved. The next feature is that it is robust. Robust simply means a strong programming language. So it has a strong memory management, it is secured, and it has exception handling and type checking. So this makes Java a very robust language. We are going to learn each and every of these terms going ahead as we implement the programs. Then Java is multi-threaded also. Multi-threading means multiple threads can run at the same time. So many tasks execute concurrently and they do not take separate memory areas. So this is a very important feature of Java in which you can run the tasks parallelly without taking extra memory. And then the last feature is that Java is dynamic. Dynamic means the classes are loaded on demand. So this does not create a lot of heavy loading in Java. So we are going to see what is dynamic class loading going ahead and each and every of the feature as we implement the programs. So let's summarize them once. So Java is simple, it is object oriented, it is platform and architecture independent. You just write it once and run anywhere and the architecture does not matter for memory allocation. Then it is robust, that is a very strong programming language. Then it is secured, multi-threaded and dynamic. So these were the features of Java. I hope you guys liked this video. Please subscribe to our channel for more such videos and also share this video. If you have any suggestions or questions, please mention them in the comment section below until we come up with a new video. Thank you.